Hello everyone, I'm Viv. Welcome back to my channel. So, it's time for a giveaway. Yay! I'm so excited, guys. So, for this giveaway, I have a wonderful contributor. Her name is Taylor, and her channel is Crochet Me Lovely. She is amazing. Thank you, Taylor. Thank you so much. She has so many beautiful crochet tutorials and crochet patterns as well. This is her website. Okay. And this is her Instagram. She's almost 30k followers, so maybe you want to follow her. I love her posts. So beautiful. And who knows, maybe you want to give me a follow. I'm almost 5k followers on Instagram. So what you have to do to win this giveaway? There will be one winner, but you have two chances to win, because you can also comment on Taylor's video. So this giveaway, it's a double giveaway, you know. So you have to be subscribed to my channel. You have to be subscribed to Crochet Me Lovely channel, and your list, let me see here, your subscription list must be public, because we have to see if you are a subscriber or not. And on my channel here, you can see how you can make your subscription list public. It's very easy. Okay, so subscribe, like this video, share if you want with your friends, and comment, one comment please, and tell me what is your favorite crochet pattern from Taylor. This is her Etsy. And what is your favorite crochet pattern from my Ravelry? You can find here all the links. Yeah, so if you click on my channel, here you can find all my links, or if you click on one on my tutorials, see, I have timestamps on my tutorials, timestamp, and here are my links. Also, if you click here on my Instagram, you can find all my links. Yeah, Ravelry, YouTube, Etsy. I have also free crochet patterns on my website. This is my newest nip and tuck hooded cowl, and also for this one I have a tutorial. Okay, so subscribe, like, share, comment, and what you can win, right? So you can win this beautiful crochet pattern from Taylor, Crochet Me Lovely, It's called Frosted Cake Crochet Blanket. It's very beautiful. Look at these stitches, guys. Beautiful. And 3 of my crochet patterns. So if you are the winner, just check my Ravelry and pick 3 of my crochet patterns, and I am going to send you for free. And I think if I forgot something, I will put all the information in the description box below. Sorry. And the giveaway ends on December 12th, and the winner will be picked with random comment picker as always. So guys, thank you so much for being here. Love you all. Please subscribe, like, share, and good luck everyone. Good luck, be safe, and I'll see you later. Bye.